fabulous YouTube friends. I'm so excited to be back here today. I just chased the FedEx man down my driveway, brought my new Mary Kay Skinvigorate Sonic brush to my door. I've been waiting for this to come since I had surgery. I'm like, I just want one for me. And I have not used it yet, but I'm gonna unbox it with you and we're gonna talk about pulsating devices and why they're important to your skincare routine and why you might wanna add something like this. If you love content like this, you like having a little laugh with me every now and then, go ahead and like and subscribe. I am so honored to have you as part of my channel and can't wait to show you more about this. Let's check it out. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm excited to remove my makeup for the day, and this is the perfect opportunity to show you this new brush. The first question I know I'm gonna get a lot from a lot of people is, do I really need this? Do I need a sonic brush? And you guys, this is a dual purpose brush. It does two things. It does pulsating and cleansing. It also has warming, so it makes your serum absorption just more effective. Here's the deal. Need is a strong word, very strong word. But it's kind of, in my opinion, I think doing your skincare at night should be an experience and it should feel good. So here's a classic example. You can brush your teeth with one of these, or you can brush your teeth with one of these. If you've ever used an electronic toothbrush, it is just a completely different experience, right? In the same way, you guys, I found this old clunker. This is like, look at this thing. It is loaded with like hairspray. It is full of stuff. My old Remington hairdryer, circa probably 20 years ago. This thing weighs like, we can pump some weights with this baby, right? Does it get the job done? Sure, it does get the job done. You wanna see my fun little hairdryer from Lange? You guys, look at this thing. It's like, I feel like I'm in a time machine or something, like doing my hair, and my hair turns out like shiny. We got some volume today, you know, like doing a thing. There's a little diffuser and there's a magnet, so it just like goes on my wall. So again, do you need a sonic brush? Probably not, but it does make your routine. It ups your routine. It ups your experience. It just makes the process of skincare so much more fun. And to that I say, heck yeah. Especially if you're just in a moment right now where you need a little bit of self-care. So I do want to say, you know, if you have questions about this brush, or just about products in general, skincare routines, this is what I do, you guys. Like, I love working with people. I have a link in my description you can get in this video. If you just want like a beauty advice, like help me understand the ingredients for my face, help me cut through all the confusion. Do I need this? Is this, you know, with where I'm at in my routine, is this gonna help me? And I will give you my advice, which is great. So, and that part is free. It's just whatever products you decide to get. If you're already working with a Mary Kay gal, obviously work with her. Because she knows what she's doing too. But let's get started and unbox this baby. All right, so we're gonna open it up. Oh, goodness, you guys, I love new things. This, first off, retail price-wise, this is a really, really good value for one of these brushes because it's a 2-in-1 brush. It does both. Ooh, this is fun. Okay, it comes in like this little thing. If you know me and you've watched my videos, I'm historically bad at reading owner's manuals, but it does have one. Maybe this time we're just gonna take a quick little peek here. Okay, there are some handy directions on page GB, it says. There's a cleaning function and the thermal massage function, okay? And we've had a Skinvigorate brush in the past. The difference with this one is it has silicone bristles. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cute, you guys. It's little. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. I'm actually like pleasantly surprised by this because when they're huge, like who wants to take it with them? Oh, it's so cute. It is so cute. I'm trying to find something on my countertop. Oh, here. I have a hairbrush. Look at this. Look how little this is. You could easily travel with this. So cute. Okay, so this is the side. You can see the little silicone bristles here, okay? And then this is the warming side. There's a little sticker on it. We're gonna take that off. So excited about this. Okay, so, and then it has this cute little stand. So it's gonna look nice in your bathroom. I don't know about you guys, but I need like bathroom chi. Like it's gotta look really good in my bathroom or I'm not gonna wanna do it. So, okay, so to turn it on, obviously, you know, I read so many directions. Okay, this little button, there's a little button right here. And you turn it on. Ooh, and then it gets really high up. Ooh, really, really high up. And turning on that warming, I can already feel the warmth on the other side of the brush. So that's all there is to this, you guys. That was like seriously the lamest unboxing ever because it's so easy to use. So let's do a little bit of a skincare routine with this so that you can see kind of how that removal and how things go with this brush. Okay, so step one to any good removal is using an eye makeup remover and a micellar water to get kind of layer one of all the stuff off. Is that absolutely necessary? No, but if you have acne prone skin, it absolutely is. And it's what we call a double cleanse. You just get really clean so that your serums, again, everything is more effective. You're gonna get better results with your skincare, which is a really important piece of this. Obviously, if you're putting the time in to do your skincare, you wanna get the best results possible. And I absolutely love Mary Kay's removal supplies. So we're just gonna do a little hair modification. Here we go. I'm gonna adjust my camera. There we go. Now you guys can see me better. Okay, so I'm gonna use Mary Kay's oil-free eye makeup remover. It's a silicone surfactant, so you do have to shake it together, and it takes off waterproof and everything. I'm kind of like done for the day, even though it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm just gonna take my makeup off. And so I just like to hold that against my eye. You just give it a good wipe. This is so good too for just being gentle about your eye skin. The skin around your eye is a quarter thinner than any skin on your body, so it's just like easy to get fine lines and stuff there. So we don't want to be like super scrubby, you know, taking a lot to get our makeup off. And if you're bad about taking your eye makeup off, go ahead and Google eyelash mites. You'll never skip that again. I also like to take a little bit and just kind of, you know, remove a little lip color or whatnot. And then I'm going to take our micellar water, and you know, there's micellar waters all over the place everywhere. What's different about Mary Kay's is this has 5 different humectants in it, so it's very hydrating. And technically, micellar water is a waterless way to wash your face. It's not just like a makeup remover. That's what most people use it for. So you have some options with this. So we're gonna do a little bit of this too. And again, I take another cotton pad and put some of the micellar water on. And this is just gonna get kind of layer one of that foundation, different things that I have on my face right now. And oh, it feels so refreshing. It's like hot and disgusting. It's July and it's 100 degrees in Minnesota, which I know many of you live in the South and it's way worse, but we're not used to it being this hot. And we have some like Canadian wildfire smoke, like all kinds of stuff going on. So here we go. We've got a bunch of makeup off. So now we are ready to try my new sweet little friend that I'm like newly obsessed with. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wet the head part of this, the silicone bristles part, and I'm gonna put a little bit of water on my face, and I'm gonna be using my favorite Mary Kay cleanser, which is the Time Wise Repair Cleanser, and we're gonna use this to clean our face. All right, so I just spread, this is my first time doing this, and I'm never like good at it the first time I do it. You don't have to be good at it the first time you do it, but I just put a little cleanser on my face, and I'm gonna turn my brush. There we go, did you hear that? There we go, we're gonna go all the way up. Ooh, oh my gosh, it feels like a, oh, hold on. It says it pauses every 15 seconds. But you just glide it across your skin like this. Here's what I'll tell you. I feel like I have the most luxurious, this is like real-time reaction. I feel like I have the most luxurious little Roomba, like going to work on my face right now. My goodness, this is nice. Honestly, like these pulsating devices are really huge right now because they do help with lymphatic drainage, like circulation, overall just making your skin feel and look more radiant. You guys, I could literally just sit here and do this. Like it just feels, okay, I'm enjoying this a little bit too much. Oh, I need to do a bloopers reel on my videos sometimes, but it just feels like, this feels really good. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about it because it's getting weird. Now, I think the idea is just to go for like a couple minutes, but girl, if you're feeling it, just keep going. Okay, and then you can turn it off. And here's what's great, you guys. You can just rinse it off, okay? So I'm gonna rinse it off, and we're gonna get a washcloth, and we're gonna wipe this off. Okay, now if you've watched any of my YouTube videos or followed me, you know that I love to use these disposable washcloths because I have super acne-prone skin, so that's an option. You can also just use a normal one, and I'm just gonna wipe off the extra makeup and just kind of get a feel for how my skin feels just doing the cleansing part. Tell you what, that felt really good. Like I'm telling you, it's like your own little Roomba having fun on your skin. That would feel really good if you've been like on an airplane all day or just kind of feeling tired. Oh, I love self-care stuff. Just sometimes it's the little things in life, you know, cheap little thrills feel really good. Oh my goodness, my skin feels really smooth, like really smooth. That's kind of fun. Okay, so I've wiped that off. Now, the other side of the brush is also some pulsating and some heat that's going to help like your serums absorb deeper into your skin. So we're going to do some of the serums and things. You can kind of see my routine too that I like to do in the evenings with my skincare, so you can see what I'm using currently to keep my skin just looking really good. Okay, so I have my serums lined up. Again, you turn it on just like you're cleansing, but you make sure you hit this little button here for the heat, and it's warm. This is going to feel so good in the winter. And so the first serum that I'm going to use is our HA Plus Ceramide Hydrating Serum, because hyaluronic acid is so good, and it has a little dropper bottle. So I'm going to just I'm going to spread it on my face, and then I'm going to use the little guy here. Ooh, this is my first time doing this. Can you hear it? That's fun. I think too, just, you know, overall, like doing a, you know, facial massage, there's a, you know, kind of rubbing up and out or down all over your face. That feels really, really good. My second serum, I've really been working lately on just evening my skin tone. So I love Mary Kay's Vitamin C plus E serum. I think you can fix just about any skin problem with vitamin C and E. And E is a really good delivery system. It takes everything kind of deeper down into your pores. So, oh my gosh, you guys, this like warming thing, this is new. I've never done this before. I think, ooh, okay, let's make a point here. If you have neck skin to firm up, using a serum like the C&E or like our Time-Wise Night Recovery Serum on your neck. I'm gonna try to do this here. So put some on your neck, like put a bunch of serum. You're wondering why I have a bruise on the back of my hand. I had surgery. So you're like, what is going on with her hand? I would just run this device up your neck. And if you have a little bit of extra like jowl skin, just kind of doing this in the evening would be really, really good too. So yeah, my nighttime recovery serum. And then the last one before moisturizer is, you guys, I'm still obsessed with the Clinical Solutions Barrier Restore 113. This has been just such a game changer for my skin this year. I will say my skin feels wow smooth right now. Like, this is kind of fun. And again, I think if you're someone who's bad at skincare, like you have the intention, like you want to do a really good job, you want to improve like the texture, everything of your skin, but you just haven't done it. Sometimes it's like you just got to change the experience. And sometimes it's like getting a new hairdryer, getting a new electronic toothbrush. You just got to get a new thing to like inspire you to want to do it. So that feels really good. I could sit here for an hour, but you don't want to watch this video for an hour. So in conclusion, my initial reaction to this thing, love it. Like, how cute. I can't believe it's this small. I thought it was going to be, I don't know. I don't know what I thought, but I thought, I mean, if you look at like my little serum bottle, it's like the same size. So I'm loving that aspect of it. I feel like it's something that you could use all the time. Love the pulsating, I feel very, like I almost feel like we had a little exercise sesh on my face. Loving that. I can't wait to see the results over time with this. So if you want to get your hands on one, I do have my shopping, my e-commerce, my shop in the description of this video. If you're not working with a beauty consultant, you can get yourself one. If you have questions about it, or like I said, you want to do like a consult with me and learn more about skincare, cut through some of the confusion, I would love to work with you. I help women all over the country, and it's just been so much fun. And I just love connecting with you and just getting to know who you are as a person too. So hope you're excited. These do retail for $95, which is a really good value for getting a dual brush. And can't wait for you to get yours. Tell me what you think when you get yours in the comments, because I love hearing from you guys. I'm actually really excited and impressed. Oh, and because Mary Kay rocks, it comes with a charging cord. I don't think you're gonna have to charge it much, but there is a little port right here on the bottom. And again, it's gonna sit on my little it's gonna sit in my bathroom, just looking cute. And yeah, I don't know, I'm really excited about this. So tell me what you think. And thanks for watching today and just hanging out with me. Doing a little unboxing. I'm gonna go relax and take care of myself. And thank you to everyone who has been so kind to me since I had brain surgery. So thanks for being a part of my channel, and I cannot thank you enough.